cheapos. The rock. Holy, that is the roundest rock I've ever seen. Whoa. What the heck? No, seriously, what the heck is it? You guys, I got a rock. Cool.
I want to check out.
You'll kill that one too, Jim.
Hey, shut up, okay? The other one was a mistake.
So they're cheap because they gave you a rock?
What?
They're cheap because they gave you a rock.
Yeah.
Who? The people who gave me this.
Who gave you that?
I don't know, the people who gave her balloons.
Are you disappointed? You like rock?
Uh-huh.
Why?
I want an orange cup that's shaped like this.
You have ADD?
No! I don't. It's not like I was tested or anything. But I don't.
What?
Are you sure?
No, I'm not.
Really?
I'm really. It's wet and cold. Feel it. Hey, you didn't catch it.
You didn't throw it.
You didn't catch it again.
Don't interrupt.
You did. Oh! That was mean.
Sorry, Kayla. No
You're
way.
the mean.
Don't get crazy. Hi, puppy.
Oh no. Oh, that was in my face.
Sorry. No, you
I heard that.
No, you didn't.
That was mean.